Hello learner, my name is Rahul Mishra and today we will see how to update existing users. So last time we see the post call. You can see post call. This time we will see call of the put call. So see we will use this very similar method for this, and we will this time we are not will update the existing user. So here everything is very pretty similar. So we will use the same method to create a user. Okay, so after this is assert, you can use this assertion to verify that now after once the user is created we need to get the id of that. So how to get those id? First step is get id. You can see the response we are say unique. For a post call, put call, we need to add the id here. So id will be runtime. So runtime we need to provide the id. Yeah, so this will become put call for us. So we will follow up. So first step is get id, then second step is put call with updated body. So how to do this? First step is here we need to declare one string id. We are reading those, and from where? So response, we are getting the response of the previous. So response dot then dot extract JSON path dot get. We are looking, it's a simple JSON, so directly we will get at the frame layer. So that's why we will add id dot to string. Okay, so with the help of that we will get the id in a next call. Response update user. Again same things we need to look. Given dot content type is JSON. TENT content type dot. Okay, C should be in capital. Content type is JSON. Then header is not required. We need given dot put put, and here we need to update. So string dot format, we need to provide %s. So here it will get changed. So it is path variable comma we need value. So id will came, id we extracted dot okay. So here what will happen, it will create a request, then we will verify update user dot then dot status code is 200 success, or you can write it like http status dot okay. That's it. But we need to provide the body. Given content type dot body. So in body we will provide the updated. Similar body we need to provide here, and test. Okay, fine, cool. So this is a basic test cases, and for that looking purpose we can see the what request and response. Then we can add log dot all, and at the end also response of that. Okay, we log. Okay, where we are response given when log dot all. Okay, so let's execute update user and see. Okay, some issues there. JSON ID. Not found. What not found? URI. So we didn't provide the page. Oh. So this we changed the URI path here. So we need to provide content type when post call is this API user to create a user. Now user get created. Okay, previously issue was we copy pasted the as it is the previous one. So base path I updated. Previously it's reading from this base path. Now I have to add explicitly because I removed it. So now see what we have done. So this is first is post call and we created a user. Second one is this is a response of the first call we logged in. Second is put call for the update user and we change it, and once the updated value is this, and you can see the same 983 we are using. So this is a way you can integrate to API, so transferring one response to other and updating. So 2 and 3 things are covered. Few points I want to add more for your learning, and it will be helpful in future. Here you can see I get the ID by using JSON path. There are a few other way to extract even in a same line you can do it, but I will show you. So response dot then dot extract path. Okay, path, and we need to provide the ID. Oops, to string. Okay, so this is way also using JSON method. Either you can use the path to get. There is another way. JSON, you can JSON. This is also work, or you can say response dot then dot extract dot JSON path dot. Here you we are using get. This time we know this is a string, so get string. So it will give you the response as a string, otherwise it will give you the object. So you need to provide ID, and now this time no need to add to a string because it's giving you directly a string. If you have a list, you can use this for the list. So this is a 4-way at least. I show you there is some few other way. Get string, okay, path variable we get it here. And one more thing, if you want to extract whole body, so similar you can use dollar, so it will give the object. So this is a way. Dollar will, okay, before ending, dollar will give you the whole response in a object. So you, from the object, you can use the JSON object, and you can uh, iterate over there and get those things. So this is a few different type of way to fetch the objects. Thank you.